Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be creating a shaped card with this beautiful Saloon mini album die set from Scrap Diva Design. And I started off by cutting, not all, but many of the pieces in this die set. And I cut them out of this sort of wood cardstock, wood colored cardstock I should say. And then I also cut it out of some pink shades, and I just wanted this to be really fun and playful. So here is my staircase, or my stairs, and I for all the windows I had a slightly darker cardstock around it. I wasn't doing this perfectly, so you might notice that some of these are a little bit offset in the end result, but I did it to the best of my ability and I think it's turned out okay. And then we can attach the parts for the door here, and I decided to go ahead and use the center part and not the one that is around it. I hope that makes sense. Just wanted it to be a pink shade there, just to tie everything together. And you could use the other pieces as well for the windows and for these doors, but I decided against it. I just like how this turned out and I think that is really cute. So you can see we are going to attach these down. I'm just eyeballing where they are going, using my tools here to make them go in the right space. And for the sentiment I will have it in two parts. I start off by just having the Saloon that comes in this die set cut out. I took some liquid glue and then I will just poke them. Not all of them came out perfectly, but they were good enough for me and I could just fibble around the rest of them when I had pulled out the die. And then I took, and I will take, some double-sided foam tape here and have it between my layers, so it looks like the front porch is sort of further, or the house is further away from me in the card. Hope that makes sense. And I have some adhesive that is sticking up, so I'm just putting it down. And then I decided to create some cacti, I think you can call it that, I don't know. And I used for that one the cowboy bundle. So there is a ton of images that comes in this set that is perfect for decorating with. So I had a fun using some different colored cardstock and just putting this together. So you can see I'm using my tool here just to have all of these parts of the cacti in the right place. So I did the same thing with another one, so I have two of these, so I can have one on each side of my front porch here. They are so cute, I just love them. You could also raise some of these up to have it give some more dimension. I looked through my stash for a pattern paper and I found this one. I know it's a little bit quirky to have like lights on the inside of this, but I thought it turned out quite nice. You can have whatever, you can just leave it white or you can have another type of pattern paper or whatever, but I think this turned out nicely because it has the color of the Saloon. I wanted to rip it up and put it a little bit closer to one side, but I couldn't without ripping the paper completely. For my shape card there is a stitched layer in this, so I decided to cut this out without the top, so I have a mechanism for closing it. And then I just cut another one to have it be completely the same size around it. Hope that makes sense. You can see the top there is cut to the inside. So that is what's keeping this card together. And Saloon Celebrate, I know it doesn't go together, but I had the Saloon and I wanted to create a birthday card with the candles inside of the house. So I went with it. So sorry if you don't think this makes sense. It doesn't. I just think it's cute. And yeah, I think the sentiment turned out nicely together as well. And that one is from the Easter word set 2, if I don't remember it, if I remember it correctly. So this is super cute, you guys. I had a ton of fun creating this. I hope you enjoyed this video and got inspired by seeing how you can create shaped card with these mini albums. I will be back soon with some more videos from this latest release, and I will see you soon. Bye!